you want.
And that's just how it starts, folks. The beginning of a snitch.
All right, I was just sitting at home watching cartoons, playing video games with my cousin, and she came in there.
Glenda,
all right?
you're free.
Hey, I am not going to jail for you or anybody else. I have done nothing bad my entire life. Hey, man, I'm still a very...
What do you want, bud?
Come here, girl. What you doing?
You have to make me some cereal.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You think I'm a joke?
Me say, if him ever make she find out where him a laugh after, she would have must clobber him. Me say, you fi put on your mask, girl. You never hear about coronavirus.
Wait, you swatting me off like I'm a fruit fly out here? I'm a fruit fly to you, huh? Crown. You and your grocery bags, girl. Don't you ever just wave me off like, we got Captain Saint-Roll out here with the subpar kicks, with your little low-budget supermarket sneakers on. I got something for you right here. Crown, Feel that in the thigh meat, player. It's time for the double up, though, playboy. Yeah, oh, okay. Oh, you kicking? Crown, Yeah. Oh, we shoving now, huh? We shoving? Yeah, you better use a treaty of event, swinging the safety. No, don't try to blend into the crowd. Crown. Trying to blend into the crowd like they gonna save you? Oh, and where the hell you going, tight pants? Come over here, tight pants. Where you going, man? You know them pants ain't built for the running.
What the funny?
Yo, I love how the driver make that trucker dance. And them things happen only in Jamaica.